Hello, my name is Stephanie Bouchard and I am an Associate Director in the University Advising Office. In my role, I manage the Starfish system at RIT, which is used to send academic alerts and kudos to students, as well as provide a communication loop between the student, advisors, and instructors. This video will explain why we send academic alerts, who has access to the system, and basic information about how to send an academic alert to a student. Starfish is a web-based tool that allows instructors to communicate directly with a student via an academic alert when you are concerned about their course progress and want to share feedback. Additionally, you can use the system to provide kudos to students who are improving or excelling in your course. The major benefit of Starfish is that your concerns and feedback are shared directly with the student, their advisors, and their key departmental leadership with a single action. This includes the student's academic advisor, faculty advisor, and any support advisors that are assigned in SIS. Our goal is for all instructors to use Starfish as a consistent communication tool to help collectively support student success. You should use Starfish to send an academic alert to a student when you are concerned about their performance in the course. You are able to send alerts to undergraduate students and undergraduate classes at any time from the beginning of each semester through the last day of classes. An academic alert is sent to a student by raising a flag in Starfish. Additionally, there are 2 targeted outreach campaigns that occur at strategic points each semester. These are called academic progress surveys, and you will receive email notifications when the campaigns are underway. The first survey is open during weeks 4, 5, and 6, and its purpose is to provide students with early feedback. The second survey is open during weeks 8, 9, and 10, which allows instructors to review and alert students in the second half of the term. If you do not need to raise flags for any students during a campaign, please still review all surveys and submit with no feedback. This ensures all students have been reviewed at key points during the term. Remember, Starfish is available to send alerts throughout the duration of each semester, regardless of whether an academic progress survey is open. All users access the Starfish system through 2 portals, either My Courses or SIS. An important note, you must disable the pop-up blockers in all browsers. To access Starfish through My Courses, log in using your RIT username and password. Scroll down the page until you see the Starfish icon on the right side of the page. Click the icon or the text that says "Click here" to access Starfish. To access Starfish through SIS, log in using your RIT username and password. Navigate to Faculty Center. And click the Starfish icon. This will bring you to the Starfish homepage. From here, you can access any open surveys, view alerts you have sent to students, and update your profile. If a new window or new tab does not open, pop-up blockers may need to be disabled in your browser. At key times in the semester, instructors are asked to review their class rosters and identify at-risk students by submitting an academic progress survey. This is simple to do and provides a quick way to report on an entire class section in just a few minutes. You will review your class roster in the survey and determine which students need to be alerted. If you don't finish a survey, you can save draft and finish it later. Then submit your survey after you have reviewed the entire roster, even if you have no concerns about any students in the class. To complete the survey and send the alerts, you must click Submit before the survey closes. Let's get started. On the Starfish homepage, near the top, just under the system announcement, you'll find a link to Outstanding Instructor Surveys. Click the link for the class listed or More to bring you to the Instructors Survey tab. Clicking the link will bring you to the survey where your student roster is presented in a column on the left and the alert and kudo options are presented across the top. If you would like to review a survey for a different class you are teaching, you can choose the class from the survey drop-down above. For each student you believe to be academically at risk, check the box for the area that you are most concerned with. You may also include comments related to the alert by clicking on the green plus sign that displays to the right of the student's name after you check a box. These comments will be included in an email sent directly to the student, so be sure the comments are addressed to the student and include facts about their status in the class and any recommendations you have for them, such as completing the homework will help you prepare for the upcoming exam, or please see me during office hours. If you don't have any concerns about a student, leave the default no feedback checked. If you have not finished the survey and need to take a break, you can click the Save Draft button and come back to finish the survey later. Once you've completed the survey, click Submit on the lower right corner. After submitting a survey, it cannot be reopened or edited, but you can raise alerts throughout the semester in the Starfish system. Remember, students will not receive alerts if the survey was saved as a draft but never submitted. Finally, even if no students in the course need an alert, a survey must still be submitted so your review can be recorded as complete. This concludes the overview of Starfish at RIT, where we discussed when and why to use Starfish, how to access the system, and how to complete an academic progress survey. For more detailed instructions and additional information about Starfish, please visit our site at www.rit.edu/starfish.